the same one that you prompted the viewers to, that's what you're gonna answer.
No, I said you call them eagles, so tell them why you call them eagles.
So that's what you're answering to, because you know why. Okay, let's not do this tonight. Go ahead, tell the people, babe. Yeah, he tends to be difficult at times, but we're not doing that tonight.
Which part of it, you know, which part
babe,
of it?
Don't be difficult. The question is very simple. Just tell them. Give us a snap, summary, something. Oh, this computer is overheating.
Babe. Anyways, I don't know. There's a lot of reasons why the eagle.
Babe, don't mind the comments. I got it, boo.
Babe.
Go ahead and explain. You're trying to run from this conversation.
No, I'm not.
You're not today.
I'm not.
You're not today.
I'm not. So the eagle. Okay, look, since there's Hurricane Milton right now, one fun fact about the eagle is that the eagle actually, of all birds, soars above the storm. So it allows the wind from the storm to, you know what I'm saying? Okay.
Babe, don't mind me, babe. Don't be distracted now. Stay on point.
But babe, I can't be distracted when it comes to you, babe.
Babe.
So the eagle allows the storm, the winds and everything to kind of raise it, because you know the eagle doesn't have to flap its wings because it soars, right? And when it soars, it uses less energy because its wingspan is like, depending on the size of the eagle, up to like 7 feet across. So it is very strong and it doesn't have to flap. So it just soars, goes higher, higher and higher. The eagle goes higher than any other bird, right? And so I think, and I don't know if I'm butchering it, I think the reason why she calls you guys eagles is that you are to be elevated, not just regular viewers or subscribers and all of that. You're supposed to be elevated in everything that you do. One of the best things about Babe and why she does this, if you see on her channel, she says motivation, fitness, and lifestyle and stuff like that. She's a great motivator. She motivates like crazy. And I think that was even part of the motivation of those who are watching her, that she'll ask you guys or tell you guys about just being better people, motivating you to go and get it. Because, for example, she wouldn't be the type of person to be here on a live from being not necessarily shy, but reserved in terms of how she is, just her personality. And then she's out here now, being on live, engaging and stuff like that is not the simplest things for her to do, but she does it because she has a mantra or whatever you may call it, that is, feel the fear and do it anyways. So it doesn't matter what fear comes in, it doesn't matter what you're afraid of, 9 times out of 10 it's not going to come through anyways. So even though you feel in the fear, you go forward, you press on and you do it anyways. And that's what she does, and she wants to kind of give that back to anybody that's out there that may want to be a creator, may want to do anything in any area of your life. And so the eagle is a great example of that bird that is resilient amidst everything. And another time I'll tell you about
No, tell them no, babe.
No.
Tell them no, babe.
I know, I'm going to tell you. You have to give them something to come back, right? There's a how the eagle maintains its youthfulness. It's very beautiful, very heart-wrenching.
Friend.
Remy? Oh, right, it was right. Stormy. So how it regenerates itself and live longer is a beautiful story, and I'll share that another time. Or Babe will share it that time. But that's one of the things that she's calling you guys eagles, because she herself is an eagle.
I am an eagle. I don't just fly.
You soar.
Girl, I soar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You see? There, babe.
Sorry, but we're not on the same level.
We're not on another level.
Yes.